How to recover a Monopoly Go account. Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to recover a Monopoly Go account. First, open the Monopoly Go game on your mobile device. Once the game loads, you'll be prompted to select your age, tap on the appropriate option, and then tap on I agree to proceed. Afterward, you'll be given the option to play with friends via Facebook. Tap on Play with Friends to link your Facebook account. This will allow you to sync your progress and retrieve your account if it was previously linked to your Facebook. Next, tap on Collect to claim any rewards or progress that have been saved to your account. You can now continue playing the game. Finally, check your game progress, and you should be able to see that your Monopoly Go account has been successfully recovered. If your account was linked with Facebook, all your previous progress should now be restored. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.